everyone. I did so many problems from different topics. This is also one important problem from the topic time and distance. This question they asked during the year of 2020 in SI, CISF, ASI examination. Okay, we'll see what is there in this problem. A person has to travel a distance of 30 kilometers. He has to travel 30 kilometers. He finds that he has covered 5/6 of the distance in 3 hours 20 minutes. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? That is the question. See, he has to travel 30 kilometers, but he covered 5/6. So, distance traveled is equal to 5/6 into 30. Because from 30 kilometers, he covered 5/6 only. So 5/5 are 25 kilometers he covered. Okay. What is the question? What is the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. What is the time taken? 3 hours 20 minutes. So 3 20 by 60. Okay, 1/3. So 3 1 by 3 hours. That is 3 3s are 9, 10 by 3 hours. Okay, speed is equal to, what is the distance covered? 24. By what is the time taken? 10 by 3 hours. This is in kilometer, here is also hours. So kilometer per hour. 25 into 3/10. 2 5s are 5 5s are 15 by 2. That is 7.5 kilometer per hour. That is the speed of the person. So correct option is 7.5 kilometer per hour. So correct option B option. 7.5. Thank you.